Welcome to Tuka for Success. Let's breathe, slow down, and learn with Tukaram Maharaj. Day 9. Tukaram Maharaj guide us with a simple truth. Don't make big promises. Because words mean nothing if actions don't match. In corporate life, your credibility is your currency. When you speak less and deliver more, people trust you, respect you, and depend on you. But when promises are big and delivery is small, trust breaks, relationships weaken, and your reputation suffers. Under-promise, over-deliver, every single time. Today's takeaway, let your work speak louder than your words, because reliability is the strongest brand you can build.
Thank you everyone. Ram Krishna Hari.